Sign on, digital signage for professionals.
Hello, and welcome to another sign-on tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll go through the dashboard and how to do quick publishing. The quick publishing function will be very useful if you have a campaign or an offer that you would like to put out on the screens quickly. Please note that some of the functions that we'll go through, you'll need admin rights. The first thing you will see when you enter sign on is the dashboard. And in this particular setup, we have access to these screens. You may not see these screens depending on what right you have been assigned to. So, for instance, if we would like to do a quick publishing of one of our videos on this screen, we first have to create a video element and then go into this screen and publish it. So to create the element, we'll enter elements, and here you will see a list of all different elements that is available for these screens. But we want to create a new element, so we click new element, we'll give it a name, and then you choose what kind of format this is. And right now we want to upload a video, but as you can see in this list, you can also link to an HTML file, an image. You can enter a URL. You can also upload a video directly from YouTube and link to that stream. You can link to a Vimeo stream, an Instagram feed, or a Facebook feed. And also, please make note that these also require some admin rights. So now we'll choose video. So if I want to use this video, I'll just drag and drop it here, and the video will start uploading. Then you can, if you want, see a preview here of the video, and then click save.